a tricycle, or a motorcycle, then run to a public shelter as quick as possible. Do not panic, remain calm. Panicking will make the disaster worse. Please stay tuned for more information about the situation, and good luck seeking shelter. As for the heroes, do everything you can to stop TV Adware and Bray Wyatt and save the world before it's too late. While the rest of your families and friends get to a public shelter immediately, this is not a drill, and this is not a test. Your phone has been interrupted by TV Adware and Bray Wyatt. It won't work until further notice. That's all I have to say. We will keep you updated on the situation.
We're here.